Do you like fishing? Let's choose a place for fishing. Let's go fishing here. Before you go, let's see what tools to bring. Ice driller. Fish food box. Fishing rod. Let's assemble the fishing rod first before fishing. Put on these components. Float. Plummet. Adapter ring. Fish hook. Tie the fish hook tightly to catch big fish. The fishing rod is ready! Yeah! Let's go fishing! What kinds of fish are there under the ice? Let's drill holes on the ice and start fishing. First, drill some holes on the ice. Bait the hook with food the fish like. Start fishing. The fish are on the hook. Keep going. We have got a shoe. Oh no, they are aquatic ants. There are still a lot of fish. Let's catch them! Great job! We have caught a lot of fish! Reward you with a sticker! What kind of fish could be here? Let's go fishing here! Before you go, let's see what tools to bring. Fishing net. Gloves. Fish food box. We're out of fish food. Let's make some more. Some corn kernels are needed to make fish food. Once ready, the fish food has to be put in a box. Fresh fish food is ready. Yeah! Let's go fishing! There are a lot of fish in the pond. Let's look for them. The small fish are hiding. Let's remove the lotus leaves. And then feed the small fish. Let's start fishing. Can you catch this fish? To remove the frog. Let's keep fishing. Tap to remove the frog. Let's keep fishing. Wow, we have caught a lot of is a stick